Polynomial divisions. Synthetic division. Let's learn synthetic division method to divide the polynomials. Step 1. Write the coefficients of the dividend. Coefficients are 2, 3, minus 5, 6. Step 2. Write the divisor in the form x minus c. Here, x minus 2 is the divisor, hence c equals 2. Step 3. Perform synthetic division. Set up the division table. Write c value here and coefficients here. Bring down the first coefficient 2 directly under the line. Multiply 2 by 2 and write the result 4 under the next coefficient. Add the column 3 plus 4 equals to 7. Multiply 2 by 7 and write the result 14 under the next coefficient. Add the column minus 5 plus 14 equals to 9. Multiply 2 by 9 and write the result 18 under the next coefficient. Add the column 6 plus 18 equals to 24. This is the remainder. Step 4. Write the final quotient. The bottom row except the remainder represents the coefficients of the quotient. Since we started with x cubed, the quotient will be 1 degree lower, that is x square term. Quotient is 2x squared plus 7x plus 9. The answer is represented in this form, quotient over divisor plus remainder. For this example, this is the quotient, this is the remainder, and this is the divisor. Hence, we can write the answer as 2x squared plus 7, x plus 9 over x minus 2 plus 24. Thanks for watching.